Sava, and it's a Sunday here in New York City. I'm making some food for the week, and I thought I'd just bring you along with me to see what I'm making. Today it's gonna be some halal style chicken, kind of like street cart style chicken. It's super simple, it's really delicious, and I think you'll love it. It's something great to have in the fridge for a quick and easy meal, and I think you'll really love it, so check it out. All right, so this is what we're using today. I have some garlic powder, chicken thighs, lemon, paprika, coriander, cumin, turmeric, oregano, and mayo. I'm also gonna be using some salt, pepper, probably some chili flakes. So into the bowl goes the chicken, along with oregano, paprika, mostly for color, coriander, cumin, garlic powder, of course, turmeric, also mostly for color, salt. I use about a teaspoon per pound. This is about 4 pounds of chicken. Black pepper, freshly cracked. It is so much better than the pre-ground stuff. Chili flakes, of course you don't have to add it if you don't like spicy. I also decided I wanted to use some onion in here. It gives it a lot of flavor. I had a red onion in my fridge, but white onion works perfectly fine. And then add in the juice of the lemon, making sure not to get in any of the seeds. Also, fresh lemon juice is best, but the bottled stuff will work. And then we're gonna be adding mayo here. It's about a tablespoon a pound, maybe a little bit more. All right, now time to mix. To be honest, I kind of want a little bit more color on this. I feel like it's gonna turn out a little bit bland, so let me put a little bit more turmeric and paprika. Turmeric, nice yellow. Some more paprika. Let's go with it. All right, that looks like it has some nice color now. All right, now I'm just gonna let this mixture sit and marinate for a couple minutes while I do a couple other things, and then I'll show you the next steps. Another thing that I just wanted to note is that instead of mayo, if you're looking to keep things a little bit healthier, you can use Greek yogurt like this 5%. You can also use 0%. That also works really well in place of mayo. Keeps it a little bit lower fat and equally as delicious. So, good tip. This is just giving the chicken some color. I just like to sear it off, give it some color, and then we will put it in the oven to bake. Oh my God. So you see how I did not add a ton of oil in there, but there's a bunch of fat? Well, my friends, that is because of the mayonnaise and also because we're using chicken thighs, which are a fattier cut of meat. So this is gonna be really nice and juicy. I'm excited. All right, you see this color that we're getting? Oh yeah. That is paprika, turmeric, and fat, and heat. Hell yeah. I mean, heck yeah. That's gonna be delicious. It's only cooking for probably about 4 minutes on the first side and then maybe 2 minutes on this second side. Okay, so all these little bits, do not throw them away. Come on, come on. These are all the goodest. These are all the best bits that you definitely want to keep, and I just like to kind of sprinkle it on top of the rest of the stuff. But I put all the chicken on a tray, and it is going to go into a 425-degree oven for, I don't know, probably about 12 to 15 minutes. Ooh, doesn't that look juicy and delicious? Just out of the oven. Hot and bubbling. These little crispy parts are the best. Okay, now we're gonna cut up this hot, juicy chicken. Just gonna cut some slices. But how juicy that is. Look at this delicious, juicy tray of chicken. Like I said, these little end crispy bits are the best, these little bits. Let's just give it a little try out to make sure it's good. Oh my God. Well, I did it again. I did it again. Wow, really good. All the spices come together so great. It is extremely juicy, really flavorful. The lemon juice gives it a little tang. Holy moly, you really have to try it out. It is, like I said, great meal to have, great protein to have in your fridge. Comes together really easily, really simply, and really quickly. Highly recommend you try it out. I'm gonna show you kind of the entire setup that I will have in my fridge for the week so that maybe you wanna do it too. All right, so here's what's gonna be in my fridge. This is the halal chicken. Also, I made some Lebanese stewed green beans, which the recipe will be up for. This is some herby couscous. It also has some toasted pine nuts and cilantro, and some tzatziki with cucumber, dill, and Greek yogurt. You could also make like a halal style white sauce. I mean, come on, white sauce, delicious. A little bit more calorie dense, let me say, than tzatziki, but also very easy to make. You could definitely do that. Anyways, I just wanted to show you what I was making for the week. I hope it inspires you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.